Okay folks, here we are getting ready to do, there's art. We're getting ready to do our sign and with a decal on it. So we've got the decal right here. And we're gonna put this on our, what is it, 12 by 24, is that right, Art?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna put that, and so Art's gonna take over and show us how to do it.
All right. What this is a vinyl static cling, and we're gonna apply it on this stand. First, this stand with a semi-metal substrate for backing, you have to clean it off with some alcohol, preferably this alcohol.
And you said, Art, the thing you want is to, at least if you can't find that one, and I got that one at Walmart for $5, you want to at least get one that has a lot of alcohol in it.
Correct. You just want the percentages, you want more alcohol than water. Is kind of what you're looking for.
And it doesn't matter what rag you use, just as long as you use a clean rag.
Yes, just a plain rag. Just clear off any residue, any dust, any oil basically.
I'm going to hold this up, Art, so that they can see you.
Water.
Okay. Now we spray it with water?
Yep.
Back a little bit. Oh, so you want it moist when you do the clean?
Yes.
Okay.
You want it moist with water. And you just take your cling. And you could just peel it all the way off. Probably should just do that.
I guess that probably works better the smaller object you have too.
Correct. What the water's going to allow you to do is help you reposition it to wherever you want it. Now at this point, all you're trying to do is just get it to lay flat.
Because it naturally puts a little air bubbles in, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Then you can take a credit card, any kind of plastic surface, just work the air bubbles out.
Oh, it's looking good. And you like the clings for really a lot of different applications, right?
The clings are good because if they're going on any kind of smooth metal, plastic, or glass surface, they're removable. You don't want to pull them on and off too many times, but they are removable, so you can change out your artwork whenever you like, and with no trouble at all. and they're more cost effective than a more permanent material with less mass.
Wow. Oh, it turned out great. Good job. Thanks, Art.
You're welcome. Thank you.